In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build dashboard in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll have a clean, informative dashboard with a title, timeline, image, metric, chart, shortcut, and rich text all laid out clearly for your team. Start by heading to smartsheet.com and signing in. From your homepage, look for the Create button. It's typically near the top of the interface and opens the options for new items. Click Create to begin a new build. From the creation options, choose Dashboard. This tells Smartsheet you want a visual hub rather than a sheet or report. You'll be prompted to get going, so click Get Started. That opens a blank canvas where you'll place widgets. These are the building blocks of your dashboard. Begin with a title widget. Give your dashboard a clear, concise name, and, if helpful, a short subtitle that explains what viewers will find. A strong title makes the purpose of your dashboard obvious at a glance. Next, add a timeline widget. This is great for highlighting project phases or key milestones. Point it to a sheet or report that contains your dates, then adjust the display so viewers can see the right time frame. Keep your timeline labels short and consistent for readability. Add an image widget for a logo or visual that sets context. Upload a high-quality image and align it so it doesn't crowd critical information. This small touch can elevate the professional feel of your dashboard. Now place a metric widget to surface a key number like total tasks completed or budget remaining. Connect it to a sheet or report, choose the exact cell or summary field you want, and format the number so it's instantly understandable. Follow that with a chart widget to visualize trends. Select your data source, pick the range, and choose a chart type that fits the story. Bars for comparisons, lines for trends, pies for parts of a whole. Add clear labels and a legend only if it adds clarity. Include a shortcut widget to give quick access to important sheets, reports, or external resources. Name each shortcut clearly so viewers know exactly where they lead. Round things out with a rich text widget. Use it to add instructions, definitions, or quick notes so anyone viewing the dashboard knows how to interpret the data and what actions to take. Arrange and resize your widgets by dragging the edges until the layout feels balanced. Keep related items near each other and leave a bit of breathing room so the dashboard doesn't feel cramped. Smartsheet autosaves your work so you can iterate without worry. That's all it takes. Go to Smartsheet, click Create, choose Dashboard, click Get Started, and add your title, timeline, image, metric, chart, shortcut, and rich text. You now have a clear, actionable dashboard ready for your team.